guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Saturday and I just got to Play World. Is this new place in Abuja. I'm sure you guys would have been seeing it on Instagram and all of that. Moms that brunch, and some moms we're meeting here this morning. It's just literally 9 a.m. guys, but we're meeting here today for an hour of aerobics and dance. You guys know I love stuff like this, especially for somebody like me that does not keep fit like that anymore. So this is a welcome idea. I just got here and I'm just gonna go in, and if you guys want to come along, then you guys shall come along as always.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go.
Now try and go faster. 1, 2, go! Go!
Let's do 5 at a time.
Very good. Yeah, that's it.
Jump from there. Yeah, jump now.
That's it. Left hand.
Well done. Allah. No, we'll find the stuff. Yeah. Your kids will be proud of you. Awesome. I don't know. Nice. I'm doing boomerang. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Three,
Everybody drop.
2, 1, jump! Yeah, you want to let us really like drop. Well, are you guys ready?
Oh, yeah, you're new.
Yes, you have to be careful.
Sing for object height.
I would have been doing what they are doing.
I'm not going to break my leg.
Our leg did not break now.
I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. Trying to move on, looking for some problems in us. No, it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you.
I just told your dad that day, hey, God laugh.
You go laugh.
You know, I just
It was unexpected. Happy Sunday, guys. Today is Easter Sunday and I am in my folks' house. I'm spending Easter with my mama over there. See her, mom.
trying to make me laugh.
Yeah.
Because I'm mourning my sister.
Yeah, grandma is still mourning her sister. But it's all good.
But I have to celebrate resurrection.
Oh yeah. So we're having a very nice chill Easter Sunday. Took off my wig because I'm tired. Let my mom talk to you guys for a few seconds. Hi.
Hi everybody.
We haven't seen you since you lost your sister though.
Yeah, I lost my sister, my eldest sister. But then, you know, St. Paul said we should not mourn like those, like unbelievers, people that don't have faith. So I have to celebrate the resurrection.
Yeah.
I have to celebrate the resurrection. And I told Alma in the church today that the best Easter song is "Up from the grave he arose,
Dun, dun, dun.
with a mighty triumph for his foes.
He arose.
He arose a victor from the dark domain, and he lives forever with the saints.
Saints to reign.
He arose,
Pam pam pam.
he arose,
Para-pa-pam.
hallelujah, Christ arose.
Come on, mommy. Ewo, my Jesus.
And I also told her, I said, Mama, you want to bam bam?
Come on.
I should open.
Yeah, why?
I said, you want to bam bam?
Yes, sir.
You want to chill with the big boys?
Come on.
You dey run kitty kitty, you dey run kata kata, you no drink water drop.
Come on, mommy. Oh my God. This will not kill me. Oh my God.
I said, yes now.
Oh my God.
You dey run kitty kitty, you dey run kata kata, you no drink water drop.
Come on. Happy Easter, Mom.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy resurrection.
Happy resurrection.
And I'm glad because Alma said my sister came to her.
Yeah.
Alma said, Mommy, wipe your tears, she's in a better place.
Yeah. Saw her in my dream. She's good.
My big mama.
Yeah. Big mama in the house.
Mama in the house.
My big mama in the house. I miss her.
Happy
So
resurrection, everybody.
Yeah.
Happy resurrection.
Yes, guys. Today's vlog is proudly sponsored by Lush Hair. Okay. And today I am going to be doing something I have never done on my hair before. Guys, I'm doing this for the first time. Okay. And I hope, fingers crossed, that I'm going to love it. I'm going to be making crochet for the very first time. Like, guys, I have never done crochet on my hair before, like never ever. So I am actually kind of excited to see what this hair is going to look like today. So these are the extensions I'm using today. They are from Lush Hair and it is a Sasha Locks, right? The Sasha Locks in the color 900. So it is a wine colored locks. I haven't even done like this kind of locks on my hair, like even like dreadlocks, like anything locks. I've never done it on my hair before. Anything crochet, I have never done it. So it's going to be my very first time and I'm actually very excited to see how this looks today. So I just got to the salon right about now so that I can get my hair done. I'm super excited, guys. Let's go in.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close, babe.
The next day.
Hey guys, it is the next day and I just thought to come and show you guys what this hair is looking like. Guys, you know there is a certain feeling that your hair or your new hair gives you after you have put on makeup. Like, I knew that I wanted to see the beauty of this hair after I had put on makeup, and yes, the makeup just complements this hair. Guys, are you guys seeing this? Like, where have I been? What rock have I been sleeping under? Like, literally. It's a vibe, and this is just so beautiful. The whole dreadlock vibe, the fact that it's actually like crochet, it's not attached to my scalp. Like, I don't know, I'm just very, very impressed. I can't even lie. I absolutely love this hair. Again, this hair is a Sasha Locks from Lush Hair in the wine color. I would leave the number on the screen. These colors always have numbers, so I will leave the number on the screen for you to see. But oh my god, guys, look at this hair. Like, I don't even feel much pain. You know how your hair would feel like a day after it was made if you braided it? You would feel that pain on your scalp. I literally just feel just a slight pressure here, but nothing too serious, and this is just a vibe. I love this so much. I love the color, I love the texture, I love the vibe, I love everything. Like, you know what funny thing, guys, it's actually very, very light. Like, when you see it, you probably would think it's heavy dreadlocks, but it's actually like very, very light. Like, very, very light. I didn't use the whole 2 packs, by the way. I think I used 1.5. I think I used 1.5. I didn't finish using the second pack because I didn't want it to be too full. The way it is right now is exactly how I wanted it to be. And you guys know that the thing with dreadlocks is that you basically can carry it for such a long time. You can even reuse this. You can reuse this over and over again because it is dreadlocks. It never really looks old. In fact, the older it gets, the prettier it is. So definitely this is something I would definitely use over again. It's so lightweight and it's just so pretty. I love this so much. Even Mia was telling me yesterday when I got back from the salon that, "Mommy, I love your hair," and I was just like, "Oh, thank you, baby." I really like this hair, guys. No cap, so nice. This hair is giving me, like, you know, island Barbados indigenous vibes, like Jamaican Rasta with class vibes, if that makes any sense. At this point I'm talking nonsense, but you guys get the drift. I absolutely love this. So go check out Lush Hair, guys. I think this is available in black as well, I think. So check them out on Instagram. I'll leave all their details in the description box down below. Check them out. Okay, for now let me go and hey guys, so I'm literally just editing today's vlog, and it just dawned on me that, oh my god, it's been a while. I actually ended my vlog like talking to you guys. It has been a while. I've been ending my vlog so abruptly these days, but man, see, you guys don't even understand. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Today's vlog was just here and there, you know, just random stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. As always, subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video, my next vlog, whatever it may be. You'll see. Bye.